it's Gina with WTI, and if your little fur friend is having trouble getting up onto a bed, a couch, or a chair, and you want to help them along, then you're going to love this set of stairs from Zerbuger. My mom has a small Shih Tzu with short legs, and she was concerned that he might be jarring his legs and hips jumping on and off of her bed. With the aid of some treats, we were able to train him to go up and down the stairs so that she doesn't have to worry about that anymore. What's amazing about these stairs too is that they all connect with a zipper and they're all storage. The main compartment has a little area if your fur baby wants to go in and settle down for a nap. We realized we didn't need the smallest one for Joey to get up onto the bed, so we are just using that for storage in the front room. These are solid, well made, and actually I can go up and down the stairs without worrying about them collapsing. Not only do these work well, but they look good too, and that's our point of view.